with huge noise. Destruction has noise, but creation is quiet. This is the power of silence. Grow silently. God says, remember these four things. I will make a way for you. I am fighting your battles. Prayer is the best medicine. Trust my timing. I request our Geeta ma'am to sing a prayer song.
விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதவிதமாய் ஆட்டமாடி நாளுக்கு ஒரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் நீலமேகம் போல இருப்பான் நீலமேகம் போல இருப்பான் பாடினாலும் நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான் நீலமேகம் போல இருப்பான் பாடினாலும் நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான் கோலப்புலங்குள்ளாலுதி கோலப்புலங்குள்ளாலுதி கோபிகளை கள்ளமாடி கொஞ்சம் போல வெண்ணை தாடி என்று கேட்டு ஆட்டமாடும் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான் முகாரி ராகம் பாடச் சொல்லி வம்பு கேளுப்பான் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான் முகாரி ராகம் பாடச் சொல்லி வம்பு கேளுப்பான் எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றால் நெக்குருக கிள்ளி விட்டு அவளை நெக்குருக கிள்ளி விட்டு விக்கி விக்கி ஆளும் போது இதுதாண்டி முகாரி என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது அவன் வந்து விழுங்கினாலும் கேட்க கூடாது வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது அவன் வந்து விழுங்கினாலும் கேட்க கூடாது அவன் அம்மா கிட்டே சொல்லக்கூடாது சொல்லிவிட்டால் அவன் அம்மா கிட்டே சொல்லக்கூடாது சொல்லிவிட்டால் அட்டகாசம் தாங்க ஒண்ணாது அப்பப்பப்ப அட்டகாசம் தாங்க ஒண்ணாது விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதவிதமாய் ஆட்டமாடி நாளுக்கு ஒரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் சும்மாவது பேச்சுக்காக திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால் சும்மாவது பேச்சுக்காக திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால் அம்மா பாட்டி அத்தை தாத்தா அத்தனை பேரும் திருடன் என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் சும்மாவது பேச்சுக்காக திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால் அம்மா பாட்டி அத்தை தாத்தா அத்தனை பேரும் திருடன் என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன்.
Thank you, Geeta ma'am, for your outstanding prayer song. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. I request our chief guest to educate us on today's session. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Deepalakshmi. Thank you. Respected principal, respected organizing team members, Dr. Vishnu Shankar, Dr. Lawrence, and all the professors of RRC, esteemed participants from different colleges across India. And very good morning to you all. I'm very happy to be part of this program this morning. We shall appreciate Dr. Geeta for the wonderful prayer songs every day. Very nice melody, very nice song, and we really appreciate even North Indian participants. Even though they don't understand, they enjoy your songs. Congratulations, Geeta madam. My dear participants, yesterday I have gone through all your works, all the assignments were evaluated. All your assignments were evaluated so far. Whatever you have submitted, only few of your, I think 20 to 35% have submitted your assignments, and they are evaluated, and it is there in the Google Classroom. So please log on. Can I have Shankar sir online? Shankar sir, are you there? Shankar sir, are you there? If Shankar sir is there online,
Sir, audible, sir.
is Shankar sir is there, madam? Madam, is Shankar sir there? Professor Deepalakshmi?
No, sir. No, sir. He is in some other meeting, sir.
Okay, please inform him that all the assignments were evaluated, and
Okay.
tomorrow it's going to be final assignment or final project work. Please inform him that we need to devise a principle. How are we going to, go with the submission of assignments? Okay, I will talk to him later. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Dear professors, today the learning is going to be on OpenShot. Yesterday I have told you, and I have given you the insights on ice cream video editor. Today it's going to be OpenShot video editor. It is a full-fledged video editor. Full-fledged video editor, and you will have all the options that you did not have in ice cream video editor. Okay, right. My dear professors, OpenShot is the tool which is completely free. Very, very simple to edit. Very, very simple to edit. Complete video editor and free. Totally free. It is an open source or freeware. You can have many features here. Now, so many features, including the background. See here, the background that I have, I have normal background, but I just keep it like studio appearance. Likewise, you can have your background in the content. I shall tell you, it is chroma key. There are so many features are available, and you also have no time limit. See, yesterday we had time limit with the editor, ice cream video editor, but this has no time limit. No time limit, so you can edit the video for any longer, and it is best for editing e-contents. Since it is openware, you need not buy it. The purchasing won't be a problem. It is the best tool I would suggest for you when you begin e-content. There are other tools too, but still for the beginners, this is one of the best tools. So I recommend strongly for you all, dear participants. Now, what are we going to do today? Today, we are going to explore the environment of OpenShot. We will add the media files such as video, audio, text, and so on, the effects and so on. We will edit in the timeline, and finally, how to convert the edited content into a full-fledged video by exporting this as video. That is the scheme for today. So I'm taking you for the demonstration of importing the media, adding transition effects, editing the content, finally exporting the video. This is going to be the sketch for today's demonstration. Let me take you for the demonstration. Are you all ready? Are you all ready, dear professors? Can I have your response? Are you all ready, dear professors? I think Professor Kumar, you have asked for a question just now, I saw it. If you go to internet and press Zoom pricing, you will get the option. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Now, many of you have given your opinion. Now, I told you yesterday how to download the tool. Once again, let me tell you how to download the tool. Go to Google and type OpenShot. Is my voice and the presentation is syncing? There is a delay. No. Okay, fine. Please go to Google and type OpenShot. Type OpenShot. Thank you, professors. Thank you very much. OpenShot. When you press OpenShot, the first link that you get is www.openshot.org. www.openshot.org. Okay. So these two, right? Click on that. Click on that openshot.org. This is the one. Okay. Click on that, and you find at the bottom. Download. Since it is a completely free tool and it comes around 160 MB. It comes around 160 MB. Click download. See here at the bottom, you see download. When I click, automatically the download begins. It is 160 MB and you can install it in the system. It works with Windows 10 and even with the other options. See, I just click here, download. Straight away it takes me here. Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 8 and Windows. Now recently we have got Windows 11 also. So Windows 10 plus. So it works in all these. So click here to download and you will get it. If you use Mac or Apple, you can see the downloads are here at the bottom. Accordingly, you can download. Okay. Right. Many of us use Windows, so you download it here. How many of you have downloaded and installed the software? Press 1. How many of you have downloaded and installed the software? Only one, Professor Rushi Sharma. Yeah, others, very good, very good. So many have come. Yeah, very nice, very nice. I appreciate you, dear professors. See, when we take up an initiative, we should be learning full-fledged. Okay, we should not be hesitant. So I request warmly to you all to involve yourself fully. Right. Thank you very much, dear professors. So great of you. Now, what do? I just go to the tool in my desktop and open it. For example, I just type in my desktop and open the tool. I have installed it like you. Open short. See here, this is the tool. This is the tool. Right. I just click open. I just click open. Now I am opening the tool. I suppose this is visible for you. It is slowly opening up. It doesn't need internet. You can edit it freely. Right. This is the view that you get. This is the view that you get immediately when you open. Now I make it simple. I make this a simple one, simple view. Please carefully understand one by one. I will explore the tool step by step. Now I go to view, go on the top view. Go to views, view menu on the top and views and make it simple view. Make it simple view so that it will be quite simple for you. See, I just click once again, go to view, menu and views option. In that you press simple view, click that and you will get like this. How many of you have got like this? Press 2. If you have got it, press 2. Yeah, please do it along with me. Please do it along with me. I want all of you to please do it along with me so that you can get some nuances of editing the video in OpenShot. Right. Thank you, professors. Now look at here. I shall explain the environment of OpenShot. On the top, you have menu. Look at here. Menu is here. File, edit, title, view, help, and all that. And look at here. You get all these small options, and this is the place where you store all the media files or project files. If you are editing a video or audio or text, anything that has to be kept here. This is what we call by project files. Project files. We keep all the project files here. Okay. We keep all the project files here. Okay. Am I clear? Now this one is the preview. I'm sorry. This one is the preview. Whatever you edit, whatever you do with editing, the preview will be available here. Okay. And this is timeline. Look at here. How many tracks are here? 5 tracks. If you want to see all the tracks, see, you can adjust it here. See, there are dots, no? There are 5 dots like. Just click here and adjust it. See, you can take it on the top. Are you clear? See, you click and drag on the top. You'll be able to have all 5 tracks. These are all called timelines. This is where we edit the tool, edit the video, okay, or e-content. Okay, am I clear, dear professors? This is where I edit the e-content, right? Track 1, track 2, track 3. And you may wonder, why do we have all 5 tracks? You can even have more than 5 tracks. For example, each track, for example, one track for video, another track for audio, music. See, for example, in movies, we get music as well as some effects. Sounds are also there. Sounds, no? For example, if train goes, train sound, some music, or fight means fight sound, or water sound. See, all these sound. Each track, it will be kept separately. And if you want to have some other addition, some pictures you want to add during the videos, so you can have using different tracks. If you want to increase the tracks, you can increase the track by pressing this plus symbol. When I press this plus symbol, you can add any number of track you need. For example, right now I have only 5 track. When I click add track, see, I get 6th track. Am I clear? So I can add. If I want to remove this track, right click and there is an option, remove track. You can remove it. Okay, dear professors. I shall explore all these icons little later. Now, have you understood the environment? Have you understood the environment? Any clarification with regard to environment? Any clarification with regard to environment? Professors, if you have understood, press 3. If you have understood so far, press 3. If you have any clarification, you can open your mic and ask me. No problem. Since we have less number, it is an ideal number for training. Okay, it is an ideal number for training and we'll be able to interact with you nicely. Yeah, thank you, dear professors. All your assignments yesterday or even the previous assignments were really good. I appreciate you all. I suppose all of you have seen your grade and evaluation comments. All right, thank you. Now look at here, dear professors. How do we bring the files here? How do we bring the files here? Let me start the first one. Importing. The first step is importing. Professor Parthasarathi, good morning. Okay, right. Now go to file and import the media files. Go to file and look at here. Import files. Option is here. And the shortcut key is Control F. The shortcut key is Control F. Please remember the shortcut key is Control F. Okay, dear professors, Control F. Okay. Or else I can also do it from here. Look at here. In the menu icon, there is a plus icon with green symbol. I can click this and I can get the files inside this for editing. Am I clear, dear professors? So I just click this plus symbol, or I can go here, import, or I can press Control F. These are 3 options, right? I just press here. Now I want to import some files. For example, I go to desktop and bring some videos or some files that are needed for editing the content. Okay, right. I go to RRC folder and bring some pictures. Look at here. I'm just bringing some pictures. Okay, look at here. Bringing some pictures. Okay, I have pictures, videos. I also bring some videos also. Okay, fine. Okay, I've added few pictures, videos, and so on. Okay, I've added few pictures, videos, and so on. I just press open. Now look at here, all these come up. Okay. See, all these come up. Videos, pictures that I have inserted. I would like to bring some music. So I press here and go to the folder where I have some music. For example, see this music. I've got one music and another one, and okay, fine. I've got all these, right? I've got all these music, right? Fine. Now I would like to bring one more video, the background video. Yesterday we have downloaded, no, the background video. I just click that, and it is here. I think, yeah, it is here. See the background video that we have downloaded. You can download the background video. Can anyone tell me in the chat? Where do you download the free images and videos? Can anyone tell me where do you download the free images and videos? Can you tell me where do you download the free images and videos? Can you give me in the chat? Pixabay, very good. Was it useful? Beautiful videos for short videos that you can download. Right now, look at here, dear professors. I'm dragging. Yeah, thank you, Professor. Look at, I'm dragging a file. For example, if I want to drag a file, I can drag it. Look at here. I just drag and put it here. See, in the first drag, I put it. Now the file is here. Now, what are the things that can be done? See, I can extend this file. First thing is that I can extend this file. How long should the file be available? How long should the picture be available? Look at here. It is 15 seconds. See, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, something like that. I can even reduce it and I can make it mild. Look at here. See, I can increase. See, when I increase, when I increase the scale, automatically, when I decrease the scale, automatically the timeline is clearly shown. Okay. Now look at here. I can reduce it to 5 seconds. I want this video to be available for only for 5 seconds. Look at here. I just keep it exactly at 5 seconds. You can use this scale option to fix it. See, you can use this scale option to fix it exactly to 5 seconds, right? I have fixed it. Right now, what can we do with this? Right click it. Look at here. Right click it. You have so many properties of the same. You can copy, you can fade it. So you can fade. For example, you can fade means what? You can hide it. For example, look at your no fade. There is start of the clip. For example, fade in. See, for example, what do you mean by fade in? Now look at here. Now slowly look at here. What do you mean by fade in? Look at here. Slowly it appears. You know. So I shall make it bigger so that I shall make it for longer time. You will understand a little more better. Now look at here. See, slowly it appears. That's what we call by fading in. Fading in means hiding and appearing. Okay, let me just show it once again. Right click, go to fade and start of the clip, or you want the entire clip. You want to have entire clip. See, for example, fade in, fade out, fast or slow. I want to have fade in for the entire clip. See what happens. Now I just go here. Now look at here. Slowly, see here. You see that? Slowly it comes. Now right click, go again, fade, entire clip, fade in slow, fade in and fade out slow. Look at here. Slowly it comes and it goes also slowly. It goes slowly. For example, look at here. Slowly it hides. Look at here. Okay, this is what we call by fade in and fade out. Okay, right click, and the other property, animate. I want to have animation of the same clip. How do you animate it? You want to have no animation. You want to have start of the clip, end of the clip, or entire clip. So I want to have animation entire clip. See, sometimes you want to have animation at the start only. So slowly at the beginning, animation, and it should stand, and afterwards when it goes out. Now I want to have animation entire clip. Go to zoom. I want to have zoom animation. Once again, go to animate, entire clip, zoom, and press 75 to 100 or 100 to 150. I just would like to go to 50 to 100. Look at here what happens. Now I just give you now 50%. It comes slowly. Look at here. It comes slowly. It comes and fills 100%. Right? Slowly. Now it goes very slow because I have fixed 10 seconds. I want to reduce the timing. See, how do you reduce the timing? Click here and reduce it to the timer. See, you can keep the scale here and it fits exactly. Now check it. Look at here. It comes quite faster. Okay. Now within 5 seconds it appears. Right? Yeah. Okay, process. Now right click and go for rotate. See, you can rotate the clip either of the side. For example, I can rotate the clip to 90 degree. Look at here. It goes like this. So it is rotation. I don't want to go further because you know how to make rotation. If your file is like this vertical, you can convert it into the landscaping, right? Okay. If it is a portrait, landscaping, and so on. Control Z. To Control Z to just make it original. Go to layout. See, for example, if I want my screen to be available, for example, this picture to be available only in the center, quarter size, very less size. I'm sorry, small in size. Right click, layout, and you can fix it on the top corner. Look at here. Right click, layout. You have so many options. See, distort means completely fit into the frame. Right click, layout, and here it is distort. Okay, it will completely fit. Show all means, look at here, that's also fitting completely, right? So this is the way you fix the pixels as a layout. And timing. Now we have told you how to fix the timing. I can adjust it manually, or here you can fix the time. You want to fast, you want to slow, you can freeze also. How long should it freeze? For example, it comes. How long should it stand for some time? For example, you know, in the movies, you see the birds fly. Afterwards, sometimes it stops and the wave starts and it stops for some time. And the tree shakes and it stops for some time. So like this, you can have zoom and freeze also. All these options are here in timing. It is applicable and it is good for videos. For example, I just bring a video. Look at here. I just bring this video. So I have brought this video. Now look at here. I just brought this video. Now right click it. Now go to time. See, freeze. How long you want to freeze? Freeze and zoom. Now I want to freeze and zoom for 8 seconds or 6 seconds. Now look at here. So what happens? See, it comes. It slowly comes. See, zooms and stops for some time. And now it goes back. See, it rotates. Do you get it? The running video stops for some time and zooms. So that's what we call by freeze and zoom. Okay. Okay, once again, let me make it clear. See, the video that goes around, see here, it freezes. Now look at here. See here, zooms and stops. And afterwards it continues. See, zoom out and continues. Okay, this is what we call by zoom and freeze, right? Once again, let me make it. Right click it, time, freeze and zoom. Look at here. And you can make it faster time. For example, you want to make it faster, forward it. You want to run it very fast. You can make it faster, slower. For example, you can make slow motion. You can make some videos much faster. All these things that can be done with timing. Okay. And the volume. For example, here it has no volume. If you have a volume, for example, I just take up Corona video here. Now look at it. Look at it. I just take up this video that we have done. Do you get this?
Greetings from Rajabalayam,
Right click
Raju's
and
College.
volume is here. Look at here, volume is here. You want to reset the volume, you can click and reset. Start, for example, start of the clip or end of the clip or the entire clip. So entire clip I want 100%. So you can fix 100%. If you want to fix more than 100, you will have to go to the property. So go to how to go to the property. Go to view. Professors, please remember, carefully remember. Go to view, views, advanced view. Advanced view, click that and you have the property. You have the property here. Right click it and click volume. You will have the property here. Look at here. See, I just take up volume here. Volume. So it is there given as 1. Now I fix it as 4. Enter. Now let me check, play and check. Is it working? Now again.
Giving
See,
you
the volume is increased.
Corona awareness for the public interest.
See, earlier it was very less. Now I reduce it to 1. Now see, listen. See, the volume is less.
Wearing mask is
Now
compulsory.
increase.
Wherever
Now
you
increase
go,
it to 6.
wear mask.
You get the
Social distancing is a very good feature.
You are caring, no? You are getting, right? This is about properties of volume. Okay. For anything, if you want, you can get it. Otherwise, you can remove this. See, I can remove this. Okay. Now, I just take it on the top so that I just want to have a view. Right. Let me go to the simple view. Go to view and views, simple view. Make it simple view. You get like this. Okay. You get like this. Right. You can increase also. Yeah. Right. You can adjust. You can adjust this. See here. You can adjust taking up and down. You can also adjust this. See, you can move this and adjust. Okay. Right. Now, dear professors, I have told you about volume and separating audio. See, for example, I want to have separation of audio. I want to have maybe maybe you see a beautiful video, but you don't want the audio. You want to have the music separated, but you like only the music, not the video. See, you can separate the audio. Look at here, separate audio. Single clip or multiple clip. You can click and you can separate the audio. Look at here. See, the audio comes separately. Okay. So you can work on it. You can edit the audio separately, right? I don't want it right now. So I just press Control Z. I press Control Z. It has become normal, right? And right click again. Now you can slice. For example, where do you want to slice? Where do you want to cut it? For example, I keep it here. I want to slice it here exactly. I want to slice it. Right click, slice, keep both the sides. For example, you want to slice both the sides. See, I just keep both the sides. Look at here. I have sliced it. See here, two portions are available. I can keep left and right. I want to slice again here. See, for example, this place. I want to slice it here. So now what should I do? I just keep it here, right click it and go to slice and keep only left side, which means this alone will be there and the right side will be removed. Look at here. See, this alone there, right click, right side portion is removed. Okay. Professor, I think some of you open your mic. Please do not do that. Professor Uma Shankareswari, please close your mic. Please be cautious of the mic because otherwise, unknowingly, whatever that goes in the home or in your side, it will be audible to everyone. Okay. I think Professor Uma Shankari is switching on the mic again and again. No problem. Right. No problem. Right. Look at here. So you can cut it wherever you want. That is slicing. Right click. See, slice option is here. Okay. And The transform is you can shrink. I will do that little later, and the properties you avail it here in the right side. You can get the properties of this. See, look at here, the properties come. If you want to have properties, you can get the properties. You can increase the sound, you can do anything that you want. See, OpenShot itself, we can have 1 month workshop. OpenShot is an ocean. And we can have 1 month workshop, or 1 month training, or 1 month certificate course. But for little time, I shall tell you very important nuances so that you can make a beautiful video or e-content. Now, dear professors, let me tell you the other features, right? Look at here on the top. This is how we call it as trimming. Razor. This tool is called razor tool. I want to cut somewhere. For example, see, click here. You can cut. See, when I click here, this tool, I can cut wherever I want. See, look at here. I want to have a cut here, so I can cut here. See, I just click this place and it is cut. I want to cut here. I can click this place and I can make a cut. See, wherever I can make cut, I use this tool. This is razor. And this tool, you know, this add marker. For example, I want to add a marker. There, I want to add something. Is there any separate online tutorial to learn this software? See, I'm sending you every day, madam. Professor Radha, I'm sending you the notes every day based on the tool. I have also yesterday, I think you have not opened that. There is a tutorial I have sent, very detailed tutorial. You can work on it. Okay, Professor?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Look at here. I can mark it here. See, I have this scale. I can keep it. When I click here, there is a mark is there. Look at here. The mark has been done. Look at here. The blue color icon, dot like. So there you can fix exactly, you know, video making, every single place or single minute is very important. Single seconds is very important. So you can exactly keep, marking where you can add effects, add text or whatever you want. That is to add mark. Okay. And this is to go to the start of the clip and this is to go to the end of the clip. Okay. Where do you want to go? If you want to split it between, see, for example, you want to clear, for example, see, it is kept in the center. Okay, right. Now all the other things I shall explain you. Now, when I click project files, all, yes, please. Professor, I couldn't get you. Sir? Okay, fine. See, look at here. This is project files. You know, see, professors, we can unmute everybody. Say we can mute everyone, but I don't want it because we are in a small group. So I want everyone to interact. That's why I kept my mic open. So please use it accordingly. Thank you. Now look at your professors. I just click this project file. When I click this project file, you have all the project file that you want to have editing. It is here. You want only the video file. Look at here. When I click video file, only the video file alone appears. When I click audio files, only the audio file alone appears. Okay. When I click image, only the image files alone appear. You want to differentiate, you can click and see the difference. Okay. If you want everything, see, you can get everything shown. And this is transition. See, you can apply the transition on the clip also. Not only between the clip, on the clip also. On the image or on the clip or between the clip, anywhere you can click, transition. See, so many transitions are here. For example, I want to have a transition for this clip. See, for this picture. So I just take up this picture, take up this transition. See, I just put it here, reduce the size and put it here in the picture. See, look at here. When I play this, see what happens. Please understand here, professor.
Is a very good feature.
I just keep the timeline here. Look at here. I just keep the timeline here. See, now look at here. Look at the transition. Do you get that circle? Now I don't want this, so I just remove this and I put up some other transition. Look at here. I would like to give some other transition, for example. See, look at here. I just take up this one. Okay, I'm just keeping it here. Now see what happens. Are you able to see that transition? Look at there. Look at there. See, slowly that is hidden. Look at here. Slowly the transition is applied. I suppose you are able to see. See, look at there. Look at there. Slowly that transition is appearing. Okay, that should not be for too long. Otherwise, the transition is meaningless. Right? Keep it shorter. Now you see. If it is short distance, see now. See, Okay, that is what we call transitions. Right, dear professors? Okay, professors, if you want to remove it, just click it and delete it. Just click it and delete it, you will be able to do it, right? Now, look at your process. This is about effects. I just stop here. I just go to effects. When I click effects, I have got so many effects. For example, I just click the same file here. Look at here. I just have the same file. Now, I just go drag that bars option. Look at here. I just click here and see here. I just click. And now, do you see that bar option? See, it is like, you know, and in the videos you get some bars like, okay, that's what we call the bar option. I just click Control Z and I put blur. See, the video is very clear now. Now I want to apply blur. Blur means some dull effect. I just keep it here. Now look at here. It becomes blurred image. Look at here. It's not very clear. The video is not very clear. So where do you use this? You can use this when you use the pictures of victims or videos of victims. You can use that videos. Okay, you can use this blurred option, right? And I just press Control Z. So when I put it blurred and it is not very clear. Okay, look at here. It is not very clear. Right. I just press Control Z. Now it becomes very clear. Okay. Now brightness. I want to increase the brightness. Right click and drag it and put it here. The brightness it will increase. Look at here. See, you can increase the brightness. And if you want to have the property of the same, look at here. Just click that B. Whenever you increase, you can drag the effect. You can get the property of that. See, look at here. Click that B option. Click that B option, and you get the property here side. If you don't get it, right click it and get properties. See, you get this properties. Okay. And you can go for brightness increase or decrease the brightness. Look at here, the brightness, and see, you will have the brightness increased or decreased somewhere in the alpha. Look at here. I just go here and make it as 5. Likewise, there are so many options here. Look at here. There are so many options. You will have to find out and increase the wave color or the color or other properties, right? Let me just click here. See the properties. Once again, have you understood your process? Look at here. I have dropped brightness and contrast. See, I just click this B. In the icon, you see that in the timeline, there is a B option. Look at there. Look at the mouse pointer. Click that and the property appears here. And here I can increase. For example, I increase to 5. See what happens. See that it is bright. Do you see that? It's bright. Now I also increase the contrast to 10. See the color now. See, it has become increased. Now if you want to increase much more, see here, it increases much more. You can even click and use it. See here, I can increase the brightness and contrast also. Right? You can increase or decrease. You will be able to see that. Right? That is brightness and contrast. Right? I just click and remove that. See, I just remove this. If you don't want, right click it and remove it. See, remove effect. See, you can remove it. Right? Now, see here, I just want to apply one more effect. Look at here to show you. See, interlace. Now look at here. Look at the video. The video will have, see the effect, each effect. See, do you see the effect? See, there is an interlace. It is quite different. And you'll be able to see the difference only when you see the original video and this. Right now, let me bring a wavy effect. Look at here. I just bring the wavy effect. Now see here. Now see, are you able to see that? See, the world has become wavy. Okay, wave like. Do you see that wavy effect? And I would like to bring the negative effect. Now I just remove that. I just bring negative. Look at here. See the negative effect. Likewise, you have so many options. See, some of the options are here. You can bring any effect that you want. One such effect is removing the background. Please understand this is very, very important here process. Removing the background. Removing the background. We call it as chroma key. See, I want you all to appear in plain background. For example, plain wall or plain screen, green color background or blue color background. Please understand here process. For example, I'm going to start with one simple option. Let me just tell you. I'm deleting everything. I'm deleting everything. I'm clearing off the timeline. Please learn it carefully, dear process. I'm clearing off the timeline.
When I need, I bring it. Okay. Now what do? I want to bring a video which is taken in the green mat. Green mat. We call it as green mat. If you are going professionally video making, if you are going for professional e-content development, if you are making it a quality based e-content, you need to use this green mat. What I suggest, you use your phone itself, no problem. You can stand in front of a plain wall or a green color background. There, it is available in the market. 400, 500 also green mat is available. You can hang it behind you, or if you have the green color sari or screen, you keep it and you stand in front of the green color thing and shoot it. Bring the video here. So I have brought one such video here. Look at here. I'm just going to bring that video. Kindly wait for some time. Look at here. I've got some videos. 1 minute. I just take up those videos. Yeah, look at here. It is taken in green mat. It is taken in green mat or white color one. Okay, I've taken. So I've taken few videos. Where do I have the videos? See, I don't see the videos. What should I click to see that videos? Tell me now. Tell me, dear professors, what should I click to see that files? See those files. What should I click to see those files? What should I click to see those files? Can you tell me? I'm not able to bring my project files. What should I click? No, not you. Look at here, professors. Look at here. Project file. Click here. See here. I told you, no. Click project files. You'll get it. See, I right now that is in transition effects. When you click project files, you have everything. Right. Now I click these two fellows. Look at here. I click these two fellows. I keep it in the second track. See that. See the video. Do you get this? Do you get this process? See that video. See, these people are talking. See, these people are talking. Both of them are talking, and it is taken in the green mat. It is taken in the green mat. Now I want to remove these fellows. I want to put the college, I mean RRC college at the back. Can we do that? Yes, look at here. I just keep RRC college here in the back. Now look at here. When I play this, what will be seen? Whatever I keep on the top is seen. Now this RRC college file is not opening. Now it is not shown. Now what do? I want to remove this green color and RRC background should be there. Shall we do that? Now I just please carefully remember the process. Go to effects. Go to effects. And there is a key called chroma key. There is an effect called chroma key. Look at here. I just go to effects. Chroma key. I just click and drop it here in the back in the video, green color video. Okay, I have applied. Now what do? I have to double click that C and adjust the property. I just double click it and the properties come. Look at here. See, the properties come. I just click which color to be removed. So I double click this key color. Double click this key color. You get this. In order to choose this green color exactly, I just click this pick screen color. Click the pick screen color and go to this green. See, I have chosen this green and the green is selected. Press OK. Now look at here. It is chosen. Now even now it is not very clear. So what should I do? I just increase to 100. Look at here. I just increase to 100. Look at here. Very clearly it is done. Now look at here. I just play this video. Look at here. As if you get a feel that they are standing in our college, RRC college. Now I would like to remove this file, remove this picture and put some other file. Look at here. I would like to remove, I put this file. Look at here. I put this file. Now look at here. See, many of the movies are taken like this. For example, they don't take it in the real thing. Look at here. Okay. See, as if they are standing in front of RRC college. Okay, you can even, like this, you should appear, take yourself and put yourself in RRC college folder. Sorry, your college background. Okay. Now you look at here, I just delete this and I can even apply some videos. Look at here, I just apply some videos here. Look at here. I can make these people talk in front of the video. Look at here. They are talking in the videos. Look at here. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Okay. I can even take this video and put this video here. Look at your Corona video. Look at here. I just want them to just talk in Corona video. Look at here. See. Greetings from
okay, dear professors. Have you got it? This is what we call by
This is what we know by chroma key. Can you make it, dear professors? This is to remove yourself. For example, tomorrow I want all of you to bring your video shot in the plain background. I shall tell you one more option. Look at here. I'm going to tell you one more option. Now let me tell you dancing. Maybe I shall tell you how to download a video, or you can download a video backgrounds like this, and you can bring it. For example, I want this man. See this man. It is taken in white color background. Keep it in the second track. Okay, keep it in the second track. Professors, please keep it in the second track. And the background video, you keep it in the first track. Okay, background video or picture, anything you can keep. Background video or picture, right? Now look at here. This man has got the background as white color or ivory color. See green, Professor Sivakumar, only green color background is much better, or blue color, or any other plain background is enough. But it should be completely with the same color. Okay, you should not have different colors, otherwise removing will be very difficult, right? For example, if I have the green color background, if I have the shirt on, sometimes see, professors, please understand, sometimes in the movies, have you seen people walking only with the head? There is no dress in between. How do they do that? Have you thought of any time? What do they do? Till this they wear green color. Till this they wear the green color, and only the head alone will be there. All the other things will be removed. Okay. They will wear only as if you see the head alone is walking. Okay, you will have that. I shall also do some video from internet so that you will enjoy a lot. Now look at here. This is done. For example, when you introduce yourself. For example, every e-content you should start and introduce yourself. For that, why don't you put the background like this, or why don't you put your college background and introduce yourself? I'm Dr. Vimal Jaral from St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. Why don't I put my background as my college? Okay, that will be better, no? That is why we use this chroma key option. Now I'm going to apply this chroma key. Look at here. I just click, go to effects, just drag that chroma key option, place it here. Right? I have applied chroma key. Now what do? I just go to project file and apply any background that I want to appear. See, look at here. I just apply this background. See this background, have you seen this background? Now look at here. This is the background. See, this is the background. See,
like this one.
This is the background. I want this background to appear at the background, so I keep it in the first track. Now I want this white color to be removed. How do I remove this? Click this C button. Click this C button and go to key color. Go to key color. When I click this key color, pick screen color. Click pick screen color. Click that and select the color. Select the color from the screen. Press OK. Now look at here. Even now it is not very clear. So what do? I just click 100. See, now it is very clearly seen. Now look at here. Look at here.
Most talking head videos like this one.
If I don't want this,
some of
if I don't want this video, see, I can remove this video and put this video. For example, look at here. I just add this video. Look at here. Okay, see, look at here. It's nice, no?
Online today.
Now, if I don't want it, now I can put even the college picture. Look at here. I just want the college picture. See, he appears in the college and speaks. Look at here.
Now, the talking head videos like this one are some of the most popular videos you'll see online
like this,
today.
Do you get this?
Now, they're
do you get this idea, dear professors? In front of your college background. In live news, yeah, exactly. In live news, they appear like this. They put in Sun TV and other TV shows, music, Sun Music and all that. They stand and talk and other things goes on at the background. So this is how they do it. Okay, they use green mat or blue color mat. Okay, you can use a green screen or blue color screen or any plain wall also that can be used. But see that it should be. Have you got it, dear professors? Professors, have you got it, dear professors? How to make the chroma key and put yourself in the background? Have you got it? Can you do that? Now I shall give you simple exercise. Then I shall tell you how to make a full-fledged e-content. Okay, simple exercise. Go to now. I want all of you to do this. I want all of you to do this right now. Go to YouTube. Please go to YouTube and just get a video. Go to YouTube. Okay, go to YouTube and get a simple videos. For example, video in green mat. Video in green mat. Okay, green mat. You just get the video in green mat. Look at here. Look at this person. See, there is the man is walking in the studio only. How to keep the split screen for speaker and presentation. Professor, can you just appear in the mic and ask me, Professor Nirmal? I don't get your very.
Sir, like instead of having two different, like a background window, can we have two screens where like the speaker will be speaking in one screen and another screen the presentation will be going on or a video will be playing like that?
So, but it has nothing to do. No, now I'm talking about. See, you appear in a plain background, sir, and you put up a video here. It is not the video. It is not the presentation that is going behind your screen. Please understand.
Yes,
I think you're mistaken. You're
no,
mistaken.
sir. I have like I made it clearly, sir. Actually, like the thing what you explained is like absolutely true. But this is what like this is not about this particular session.
Okay.
I'm asking about yes, sir.
General.
How?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah, I do understand. I thought you are asking about keeping the presentation at the background. No. You are right now. Right now, I have understood. See, the thing is that, sir. See, it is not splitting screen, picture in picture. We call it as picture in picture. Okay, sir. We call it as picture in picture. For example, you keep the speaker in one side in the corner and you want to have the entire presentation. That can be done.
True, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll come for that. Sir. I'll come for that. I'll finish it up and come for that. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. That's great of you. Now look at here. Look at this lady. See, look at this lady. Look at this video. Look at this video. The lady, usually I keep this background for me. Look at here.
Hey, video creators with videos. How? With unlimited downloads of millions.
Look at here, dear process. I just run it. Look at here, this lady. See, look at here, this lady is taken a shot in the green mat. Now what happens? See? Now they appear. Now they put up this video and they merge it. Now see what happens. What happens? As if the lady, you get it? As if the lady is speaking in the background. Okay, that's how. No, so now you just go to green mat, video in green mat. Just click that and download a video and apply. Download a simple video. No, not like this. Maybe a video that is taken in green mat. Look at here. Look at here. For example, look at this. Maybe for example, you can take up, you can take this green mat video shot in video in green mat or green screen. Use green screen. You can use green screen also. Green screen or blue screen. Green screen, and you can download this simple videos. Some simple videos can be downloaded. See this helicopter. See this helicopter. I just bring this helicopter. Okay, I just bring this helicopter or some other things. See, look at here, this one, or this one, or any other video. Just see the video accordingly. You choose. Okay, you can take up the video. See this lady is talking in green screen. So I can take up this lady. Look at here. I can take up this lady. Look at here. I just take up this lady. Look at here. Download it. Look at here. How to download this? I should tell you how to download this. See, for example, how to download this. Now take up this link on the top. Take up this link. Go to the next. Copy this link and go to the next tab. Type YouTube download. YouTube video download. You click YouTube video download. And this is the link. I just give you the link here. In the chat so that you can download a video, right? See, click this link. Okay, click this link. Now look at here. I just copy this link here and paste it here. I paste it here. Look at here. I pasted I got this link and there is an option to download. I just click to download. I click this to download and automatically the download will begin. The download is about to begin. Click once again if it doesn't begin, and automatically it will begin sometime little late. Yeah, it is begin. It has begun the downloading. Okay. Look at your process. I have downloaded it. I also want you to download it the same way and bring it here. Now look at here. I just delete this background. Now I just bring that lady. Just go to that file, add, import, and it is in downloads folder. Look at here, this video, the video that we have done. Okay, I just keep it on the top. Okay, this lady. Right, what do? I want to have this background entirely in the picture of Rajapalem's college at the background. Now, what do you do? Now I want to apply the green mat. Go to the effect and click the green mat and drop it here. Okay. After dropping, I just click this green color and go to this key color, double click it and use pick screen color and click here. Now press OK. Now see the entire thing is removed. Only thing is that some green color is remaining. So I just press 100 for this. See, it is removed. See, even now it is seen. Now you can remove even 150. Look at here. I just click 150. Yeah, now it is removed. Now look at here. As if the lady. Look at there. Look at there. Get that. Okay. Okay, dear process. See, like this, they can take the videos of separately heroine and the hero this side. You can take it. Sometimes two videos. For example, double shots, twin shots. For example, I can shoot one video here and I can take another shot from here. I can merge these two videos, front and back. Am I clear to you? It will look nicely. Both are taken in green mat and you can merge two videos nicely. Right. You can also apply some. For example, I delete this background. I want to apply another background. Look at here. I just apply this background. See here. I can apply this background and look at here. See, I can make it. Okay. See, I can also delete this. Oh, sorry.
To start with respect to the person without whom I would not have.
I'm sorry, dear professors. Am I audible now? Am I audible? Am I audible to you? There was an interruption. I'm sorry. There was an interruption. I'm sorry. Am I audible to you right now? Professors, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sorry, there was a sudden hitchback. Right. Yeah. Now look at here. I can get this lady appearing in any background. Have you all got this concept of using green mat? Have you all got the concept of green mat, using green mat? Professors, have you all got it? Have you all got it, dear professors? So can you make it? I shall give you some time. Just make it and come back and I shall tell you picture in picture. And finally, let me also tell you how to add, how to do a video. I mean, the e-content, full-fledged e-content. Look at here. This is the background that I keep it here. Look at here. I'm making this lady appear in the studio and just do. Okay, am I clear to you? Okay, dear professors. Can you make it, dear professors? Can you make it quickly? Yeah. You can try it later. Let me go ahead. You can try it later. You can try it later. We use SS in front of. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Anything that's okay. Right. Now, one professor asked about, keeping the videos in videos. Okay. For example, look at here. This is the background. This is the background. This is the main window. The video will go. Now, right now, I want this man also to be this presentation on the top here. This video to appear on the top here somewhere. Imagine, or for example, this is the main video. This is the main video. When he talks about, now listen carefully. I think Professor asked, no? Earlier one professor, I think Professor Sivakumar. Yeah. Now look at here. I want to have a picture in picture. I want to talk about this corona. This man, imagine that this man is talking about corona. So I just want to have the video here. For example, I just bring the video here, it on the top. Now what do I do? This video alone comes. Now what do I do? I want this video to be kept in the corner, one of the corner. Right click, go to layout and keep it quarter size and the top right. See here? See here? It comes on the top right, quarter size. Am I clear to you? I keep it in the quarter size. You can also fix, for example, if you want to adjust the size, you can adjust the scale. Look at here, the scale. Adjust the scale size X or Y. Scale size properties here. You can adjust it and you can make it little more even smaller than this. Am I clear to you? Okay, this is what we call. For example, when he talks, this video will also play continuously. I just play this video. Right now, it takes time to play because it is loaded. The system is little hanging. But do you understand? When I play this, automatically on the top you get the other image. That is what we call a picture in picture or video in video. Right? Have you got it, sir? Have you got it, sir? Have you got it, sir? See, there is a small issue. Just I delete it and bring. I would like to delete it and bring it newly. Have you got it? I think the professor one who asked. Have you got it, professor? Sir, have you got it, sir? Professor one who asked.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I'm clear, sir. Great, sir.
Now, yeah, thank you. Look at here, professor. For example, this man is talking, giving a talk. Okay, imagine, or I would like to take up my own video. Let me take my own video. That is, yeah, Professor Devanandan, please look at here. I'm just taking up my own video, talking head video. See, I'm talking. There's an introductory talk, right? I'm talking about something. Imagine that I'm talking about. See, I'm giving a presentation. I want to talk about. I'm talking about RRC College. So I want this picture to appear on the top. I'm talking about RRC College. I want this picture to appear on the top. Now right click it, go to layout and keep it anywhere. See, for example, I want to keep it in the left corner. See, this picture appears in the left corner. If you want to reduce it still more, you can go to the properties and the properties appear here. Okay, look at your X scale X and scale Y. See here, you can reduce the size. You can reduce the size. Am I clear to you? For example, look at here, you can reduce the size. You can increase it or decrease it. See here, I can reduce it. Am I clear to you? Look at here, I reduce the size. Look at this and you can reduce the size. Am I clear to you? Look at there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can reduce the size. Whatever size you want, you can bring it. Okay. For example, it appears only this. See here, I just play this video. When I play this video, only at that particular time, it appears on the top when this crosses. This is what we call by, picture in picture or video in video. See, this video is lagging because of, see here, it appears on the top. Am I clear? I have not fixed it. I have not fixed it because I have not fixed the size properly. Otherwise, I can fix it exactly. Have you got it, dear professors? Have you got it? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, fine. Now, dear professors, I suppose I have given you nuances. Now, let me explain you how to make a full-fledged e-content. How should you arrange? Now, let me close this because it is hanging and open again. Okay, I'm just closing. I'm opening it up again. Yeah. Now I go to OpenShot and please understand now how to make a full-fledged e-content using this OpenShot. I've explained you a few features and finally let me tell you how to convert the video. Now I've got this track 1, track 2, track 3 and track 4. I want to have increase the size. See, I can click here, increase. Now I want to have the title. I want to have the title. Okay, I want to have the title of the e-content. So how do I add title? Look at here, title, click on the top. Title is here and click title, Control T. On the title menu, click Control T or title. Now you have so many methods. I would like to take any method. For example, I just would like to take this method. Okay, there are so many options here. You can take any of these options. See, I like this method, so I just would like to go e-content, for example, presentation or something, maybe demo on. Wow. Imagine that what is demo that we can give? Demo on PPT video making. Imagine that PPT video making or downloading music or GIF making. Okay, GIF making. See, I want to give a demo on GIF making. That is the e-content that I want to have. Look at here, GIF and type fully GIF making, right? And you can fix the text color, font color, everything. You can background color, everything can be changed. Right now, I don't want to change. So I just save it and it appears here. Look at here. It appears here. I just drag it and put it in the first track. Look at here. I just drag it and put it in the first track. Now, can I have some animations? Yes. Right click, go to animation, entire clip, zoom it from 75 to 100 or 50 to 100. I just make it 50 to 100. Look at here. It comes. Animation comes. Look at there. Slowly it appears. Zooming. Right? I have fixed it. First frame is ready. Now I want to bring my photograph. I want to bring my photograph, or you can bring your college photo picture or anything. Okay, you can bring your college picture or anything. For example, I want to bring my picture. I just go to import file and bring my picture. Look at here. I go to desktop and take up my photograph. Now I have taken my photo. Now I have taken the photograph here. Now I take up the photo and keep it here. And I want to appear in the background of the college. I want to appear in the background of the college. So I would like to just go for the background of my own college. So I just take up the background. See, I take up the background and keep it here. But the background is not seen. See, only the white color is seen. So what should I do? Very simple. What should you do? You have to put up, look at here. I just go to effects and drop chroma key on the picture. I just click here and remove the white color in the picture. I just click this color, double click it, big screen, and you get the white color. Okay, fine. Now the white color is removed. Now look at here. Oh, it's still removed. Just go here. Go here. Remove the background. Increase it. Increase it. Let us see. It is not removing. 1 minute. Let me check it. Just double click it. Click here. Big screen color. See, I have removed it, and I make it as 100, and it will be completely removing. Sometimes the white color in the picture also removes. So I just be careful about removing it. Yeah, look at here. I just reduce the number so that it doesn't affect. I just put it as 40. Okay. Now I reduce it 30. Just put it as 30. Now okay for 20. So adjust the number. That's enough. Adjust the number and just put 5. Okay, adjust the number. Now I have got it. Now what do? I have just got it. Now I put a text here. Now Dr. A. Vimal Jaral, I would like to have my text here. So how do I bring the text here? I want to keep it here at the bottom. Now go to title again. Go to title, and which title you want? I want to appear in the bottom. Look at here. The bottom one is here. Bottom model is here. So I just give the title as Dr. A. Vimal Jaral. Okay, I put the title. Okay, and the color also can be changed. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. Right now, I don't want. I want exact color. So go to the project file. It is there. Text is there. Bring it and keep it on the top. Look at here. Are you able to see that? See, the text is here. Vimal Jaral is here. If you don't see it properly, you can change it. For example, right click it and go to edit. See, right click this and go to edit. When you go to edit, you can change the color. For example, you can change the text color. Go change the text color into blue or white or some dark color if you want. You can go for some dark color. See, I can save it, and it will be saved. The color will be saved. Now look at here. Are you able to see that the color is saved? Okay. Am I clear to you, dear professors? Now what do? I have added. It is not very technical, professor. It is very simple only. Very simple. Only thing is that logical. That's all. Logical thinking, and interest will make you understand better. Very simple only. See, I'm arranging one by one. See, in one frame, I want my college, I want my photograph, I want the text. So I'm arranging. See the usage of tracks one by one. Now 2 frames are fixed. Now I want to go for the third one, introductory video. For example, you appear in green color background and put your college background, and you talk about the video and talk about the content. For example, good morning or greetings. This is Vimal Jaral giving you a demonstration on chip making. Let us have a look at the demonstration. So just appear in screen and talk for some time. So I would like to bring the video there. So go to project file, and I would like to bring that video. I just go over and bring that video. It is not technical. If you are interested, you can very well learn. See, I just this is the introductory video. I just put it here. Okay, I put it here. Now, please, whatever you want, you can animate it. For example, I want to have animation. I can right click, go for animation, and you can animate it. For example, you can animate it whatever way you want. You can animate it. You can animate even this one. Anything you can animate. Okay. can animate it, and you can even animate the text also. Look at here. See, I can animate the text also, entire clip. See, I just make it as, okay. See, I can animate anything, right? Now, what do? I just have this video, and you can also put transitions if you want, transitions. And finally, the video, the original video, you bring the original video. Go to import and bring the original video. For example, I'm sorry, not here, here on the top, this plus symbol. And I'm bringing the original video from RRC. This video is about, yeah, I think zip making. This video is about zip making. So I just bring this video. Yeah, I brought this video. I just take it and put it here. Okay, this is the video. Now I have added. If you want to add music, you can add music. For example, till this, I want to add music till this. So you can press this symbol and go to music. You can add music that you want. I have added a music and keep it wherever you want. See, I want the music to come only from here till here or till here. Okay. And you reduce as volume. Right click, go to volume and entire clip and reduce it to considerably 10. Volume 10. Now the entire video is ready. Now I would like to go for the thank you for watching, the final one. Now how do I add title? Go to title. Here title menu and just take up something, for example. Yeah, I would like to go for this. Okay, right, this one. I just click here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Okay, I just press thank you for watching. Right, I've typed. There's a spelling mistake. Yeah, thank you for watching. Press save it. And it is there. Drag it and put it here at the end. Okay, drag it and put it here at the end, and you can increase this, and you can also animate this clip. Click entire clip, and you can zoom and animate it. Right now, I've done it. Now let us just have the preview. I've done it. Now look at here. Look at here, dear process. I just make it a full view. Look at here. It comes. Are you able to see that? It is not perfectly edited, but just have an idea. Hello everyone. I am A. Vimal Jaral from St. Joseph's College. Would like to give you a presentation on how to remove a background. Let us now have a look at the demonstration. Okay, now it immediately goes to a very good morning to you all, dear professors. I welcome you all for the demonstration on creating. Okay, dear professors. And now the video comes and finally it goes for ending. This final thing goes. Look at here, the end. The end we go for. Thank you for watching. Moving. See, I have created a GIF animation. Thank you. See. So once after completing, okay, what should you do? Thank you for watching Escape. So you'll have to perfectly edit, and finally you convert it. So that's all. The thing is done. Now finally, how to edit it? Now how to edit it, how to convert this finally. Now click this button. See, look at here. There is a red color button here. Click this button or go to file and export project. So shortcut key for exporting is Control E. Okay, Control E. In the file menu you can go, or else you can click here itself. See, when you click here and it will ask you for the title. For example, I just make it as model video open shot. Model video and open shot, and browse where you want to keep it. I want to keep it in the desktop in RRC folder. See, I can keep the select folder. And what is the file format? Look at here. You will have to carefully switch it. The other things, don't worry. Click the video profile and click here. And if you want to go for HD is, what is the option? 1020 into 1080. So right now, let me go ahead with 1020 in 2080. That is HD, not full HD. HD, ordinary HD. This is enough. By default, it will come. Keep it and store it in the same model. Okay, same method. Press export. When I press export, automatically this will be converted into a full-fledged video. So I want you to please listen here. I want your project to start with the title and your photograph and your designation with the background of the college, and you appear in the video screen. Just have the green color background. take it in the mobile and bring the video here. And remove that background and put some beautiful background, maybe your college background or your college building or some videos, beautiful videos, and introduce the e-content. Just appear, hello, so-and-so, I'm so-and-so. I would like to give you a demonstration or give you a presentation on something like that. You appear for 1 minute and talk about that. Then go for the original content. Then finally, thank you. So with that, you will be able to find. Look at here, it is going for 14 seconds. Once after completing, you'll be able to have the video here, right? This is how you can edit, and it is very, very simple to edit. It's not too technical. Okay. Can you make it? How many of you have the confidence of editing? How many of you have the confidence of editing? If you have clarification, you're welcome to make it. Don't worry. I shall be there to help you. Okay, professors, how many of you are confident? Press 1. How many of you are confident? See, this tool will be very, very beautiful tool, and it is very interesting. I want all of you to please involve it. Today itself, we operate chroma key option, and today itself make a video. That is why assignments are given. When you involve assignments, even if it is not good, even if it has some corrections, no problem. But explore, see, any tool or any skill that can be done, that can be acquainted only by practice. So that is the purpose why the organizers give you assignments. So I humbly request you, dear professors, I want all of you to please explore all these options. Otherwise, we forget. Okay, the purpose of workshop is to make you all develop your own e-content. This is one of the very, very simplest tool. All of you will certainly enjoy. So wish you all the best, dear professors. It is almost done, and I will just show you. Any clarification, Ram? Any clarification? You can ask for clarifications. Then I shall play this video once again.
So when I was trying this now, then my window was splitted into different timeline and all, and it is not going just like yours. How?
Madam, I told you, you have the view, simple view. Okay, you have the simple view, madam. It will be better. Go to view and make it simple view. If you want to have the property, right click and you will have the property. Okay, here the property will appear. Okay. And I want you to explore the properties one by one. Just analyze yourself. Okay. When you are free, analyze yourself. I have given you the main elements or main properties. Other elements you can adjust. Okay, madam.
Okay. And chroma option is given in the effects. Okay.
Yeah, it is in the effects. Yeah, try today. You appear in the green background or in the plain background and remove it and put some other background. Okay, madam. Okay. And many of the movies are shot using chroma key only. Many of the difficult shots, you think that the hero is falling from the far away place. No, he will be, he'll be taken from the wire and the jacket. Okay, but the background will be put in the video. The hero will be taken only in the studio only. Okay, as if he is jumping. Okay, he'll be doing like this, but the background will be some sky or something they will put in. Okay, madam. See, now it is Titanic. Titanic is completely done in tank. Yeah, you are right. Yes, now look at here, 100% it is done. So I just play that video for you. It is there. Now go there to RRC folder. Now I have stored it in RRC folder. Now I named it as model video. Model video. Yeah, it is here. Model video open shot. See the size of the video that we have done. It comes around 250 MB. So it is heavy. Okay. See this full-fledged video editor. It will take time also. For example, if you are making 10 minutes, it will take 10 minutes time to render or to export. Look at here. This is the video that we have done. Is it visible to you? Is it visible to you? See, this is not edited properly. This is not edited properly.
Hello everyone.
Slowly the video is coming up.
From St. Joseph's
animation. This is what we call by animation.
A presentation on how to remove a background. Let us now have a look at the demonstration.
See, immediately the demonstration.
Very good morning to you all, dear professors.
Now imagine the demonstration is
you. So once after completing, what should you do?
See here, that's all. So I have put up with some mild music I can add. Okay, this is how you create e-content. Now over to you, dear professors. I get only compliments. I'm happy that Professor Nirmal Satyaraj, congratulations. Now you are a YouTuber, I suppose. Very good. So make a lot of videos using this. So I appreciate all of you, dear professors. I want all of you to please make an attempt. You will be able to make beautiful videos or beautiful e-content. Dr. Uma Shankareshwari, you can unmute. You can unmute. You can switch on and unmute. You can talk. Whoever has clarification, you're welcome to make it, please. Thank you, professors, for your compliments. Thank you. I'm happy that many of you are giving compliments. Okay, if you have any clarification, you're welcome to make it. If you have any clarification,
So
you want me-
sometimes I see that people are giving lectures and like PPT, the words is coming out what they are speaking. Like I'm saying Corona warriors, then Corona warriors appear on your screen. What is this?
That's what I told you, picture in picture. I'm talking about Abdul Kalam, and Abdul Kalam picture appear on my head. That's what you're talking, no? That's what you're telling.
Okay, thank you.
Madam, is this you're asking?
Yes,
Professor?
no, but I was asking, like I am giving lecture
Yeah.
on a particular topic, and
Yeah.
when we make PPT in PowerPoint, okay,
Yeah.
then the slides is coming and all. But when we are making this kind of video, how we can show our slides or?
That's what, madam, please understand. See, you cannot show the video. Please, you must understand the meaning of e-carton. E-carton is full of video. Okay, you have to convert your PowerPoint into video. And bring that video here. Bring that video here and put it there. See, for example, we did the PowerPoint video. For example, look at here. I have also done some PowerPoint video here. Look at here. This is a project. I don't go for new project. Look at here. I just go for new project, or here itself. I just remove this video and bring a PowerPoint video. Look at here. I just go to desktop, and this is the video that we have done with PowerPoint. See which one that we have done with PowerPoint video. Yeah, screen capture, PPT video. Look at your PPT video. That we have done it in PPT. Now click here and place it here. Look at here. Now you appear in screen for some time and give introduction. Then you can go. Look at here. This is about introduction.
Give you a presentation on how to remove.
Okay, look at here.
Let us now have a look at the
Now straight away I've gone to my PowerPoint. Look at here. This is PowerPoint. This is the PowerPoint video, no? Rajabalayam PowerPoint video that we have done. Put the PowerPoint here. Okay, madam? Madam, have you got it? Madam?
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, another thing,
Yes,
one sir asked about, for example, when I talk about Abdul Kalam, for example, imagine that I'm talking about Abdul Kalam. In this video, I'm talking about Abdul Kalam. Right? I want the Abdul Kalam to appear. Okay. Now, how do I bring it? Now, look at here. I just go. Bring Abdul Kalam. So look at here. I got Abdul Kalam's picture. I keep it on the top. Now I want Abdul Kalam to appear in one corner. In one corner somewhere in the corner. So right click it, go to layout and make it. Look at here. I just make it in the keep right corner. See, it is there. Abdul Kalam comes. Now I can also make it animated. Go to animate and I just make it as 50 to 100. Now look at here. Layout and make it at the right. Now look at here. Look at this. Imagine that.
everybody. I am A. Vimal.
Look at here. The Abdul Kalam picture appears on the top. Am I clear?
Presentation on how to remove
Okay, dear professor.
background. Let us now.
And it goes on. If you want to have another video coming here, for example, this video to come on the top. Look at here. This video to come on the top. I just keep it here. And this video should come in the top. Right click, layout, and keep it right corner. See, this video comes. If you want to reduce the size, go to XY. See, XY scale is here, no? You can reduce the size. Look at here, the size is reduced. And here also, Y size is also equally. See, I can reduce. See, it appears. Now look at here. See, Abdul Kalam appears. And I'm talking, and on the top also there is another video. Look at there. Look at there, that video also comes.
Let us now have a look at the
That video comes. Am I clear to you, dear professor? So this is how you fix a video or picture in another video, right? Okay. How to add e-content? How to add subtitle in e-content? Madam, that's what I told you. No title. Use title. Use title. Use title, and you can appear. You can put it. Okay. Use title. And see, there are other videos. There are other options. You can have. See, there is software to add your script completely into the video. Okay, into the video. Otherwise, you can use the title option and you can add subtitles. But if you are continuously placing and you need to have separate tools are available to add subtitles into the video. Okay, please browse through, adding subtitles into video. There are so many options are available. You can do it. Maybe tomorrow I can explore, right? Any other process? Any other clarity?
Sir, it is about yesterday's query. When I have downloaded the video and made it into PowerPoint video, then how to take it as background? Like you said that go to the control panel. Then
now,
what we have to do to use this background?
Yeah. Are you using Zoom laptop version? Do you use Zoom laptop or desktop or mobile?
I'm using laptop.
Okay. At the bottom you see video icon, no? Video icon. Do you see that video icon?
Yes.
Click that arrow mark. Click that arrow mark. Click that arrow mark and you see virtual background. Choose virtual background. Do you see that? Do you see choose virtual background?
Wait, sir.
Quickly make it. Others, those who have filled.
You just show me on your screen kindly.
Then no, I cannot show you, madam, because I cannot share the Zoom. I cannot share the Zoom. Please follow it, madam. Do you see the camera icon? See, it cannot be shown. It cannot be shown, madam, because I am using Zoom. Zoom cannot be shown. Okay. I will have to change the control settings then. Okay, madam. Right click. See, do you see the camera icon, madam? No. Do you see the camera icon? I think your network is slow, madam. Do you see the camera icon? Do you see the camera icon? Madam, do you see the camera option in the mic? And there is an arrow mark, no? There is an arrow mark. Click that. And what is the option that you get? What? Madam?
I'm not getting that.
No. You are. No, madam. Do you see that video icon, madam? Do you see video?
Yes.
Madam, there is an arrow mark or not?
No, it is shown that meet now. It is simple.
No, madam. Madam, please carefully note it, madam. Do you see the video icon at the bottom? Mic and video. Do you see mic and video? Madam, do you see mic and video?
Yes, on Zoom.
Yeah, I'm talking about Zoom only.
Okay. Yes.
There is an arrow mark. No? Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
You have the choose virtual background option. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah, there you can add the video. Okay, madam. You just appear and see. You just add the video. Just add your video. Let us see.
Okay.
You are able to appear. I suppose you will be able to make it. Yeah.
Okay, I will add my video.
Yeah.
Is on desktop. Which is
yeah. Wherever you want to add. Professor Dhanavendan, yes, as per the session title, photo, institution, logo, track. Yeah. You can keep anywhere that you want, but whatever you want to keep it, you keep it on the top. Okay, that will be seen first, right? Adjust the layers, you'll be able to get it. Professor, all the best, Professor Dhanavendan. Have you made it, Professor Rushi? Other professors also can make beautiful videos and keep it in the background tomorrow. Let us see who can keep it in the background. Yeah. Thank you, professors. Those of you who have filled your form, you can leave. Those who have clarification, you can stay back and ask. Thank you very much. Thank you. All the very best for the learning. Any other clarification? Professors, any other clarification? Professor Rushi Sharma, have you got it? Professor Rushi Sharma, have you got it? Okay, I think she's offline. Okay, no problem. Thank you, dear professors. Thank you. So we shall call it a day if there is no clarification. Over to the organizers.
Good afternoon, sir.
Over to the organ. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, we conclude today.
Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, the assignments are evaluated, sir. All the assignments submitted.
Okay,
And
sir.
tomorrow there will be final assignment submission. So today I have given them final assignment.
Okay, sir.
And you can devise a print idea how are you going to issue the certificate. You can give them information tomorrow, sir.
Okay, sir.
Around 30% they have submitted, and all the assignments were evaluated. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
You can plan out and you can announce them.
Okay, sir.
tomorrow,
Definitely, we can wait another 2 days. After that, we can submit and we will process for the certificate, sir.
Yes,
E-certificate.
yes, sir.
Okay.
But so far, whatever submission has been done, all are evaluated, sir. The marks has been sent to them.
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Very kind of you, sir.
Okay.
Tomorrow it is the final day. So it will be short learning. I think we'll finish it on time so that they will have some, maybe at the end, valedictory or concluding remarks. So we'll end by 12:15 itself.
Yes, sir. Definitely. After we will have a voluntary function.
We request all the participants to come on time. Over to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. We will see you tomorrow. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.